Welcome to this meditation on presence. Meditation is our opportunity to get grounded. It's our opportunity to drop into our center, to create some space so that we can come into our fullest power. So let's begin by coming to a comfortable seated position. So you can sit on a chair, you can sit on a pillow on the floor. I like to sit on a couple of blocks on my knees with my heels on the edge of the blocks and my sit bones grounding down into the blocks. But whatever works for you in this moment. Go ahead and bring your hands together into a prayer-like position, and then resting your sides of your hands on your lap. With your fingertips touching, pull your palms apart so there's some space in between your hands. Go ahead and bring your awareness up your arms up into your head and gently close your eyes. So in our meditation on presence today, we're not going to do anything, we're not going to try to do anything, we're just going to be present to what is happening in your body, to be present to whatever is happening around you. And in that place of being present, we're being observers. We're being noticers without adding any judgment to it, good, bad, otherwise, just simply noticing. So let's start by noticing your connection of your feet into the floor. Just noticing, moving your awareness up your shins and calves into your knees. Again, just noticing. No story about how your knees feel. Just being present. Moving up into your thighs and into your hips and pelvis. Just noticing your pelvis grounding down into whatever seat you're sitting on. Moving your awareness up your torso. Just notice how your rib cage gently opens and closes with each breath. Moving your attention up into your collarbones and down both of your arms into your hands. Just observing your thumbs touching, your pointer fingers touching, your middle fingers, ring fingers, pinky fingers touching. And also noticing the space in between your hands. Bringing your awareness back up your arms, into your neck. Awareness up into your jaw, softening your jaw, not opening or closing your mouth, just letting it be whatever position it's in. Bringing your attention to the middle of your forehead. We call this your third eye center. It's almost like you're gazing up through the middle of your forehead. See if you can be aware of the center of your forehead and your fingertips touching at the same time. Take a few more breaths, looking both through the center of your forehead and through your hands. So as we're observing here, just being present to what is and what isn't. We're not closing out the outside world. We're also still aware of the sounds that come in and out of each ear. So maybe the sound of the heater in your apartment or the refrigerator or traffic on the street. We're not adding any judgment to those sounds, just observing them. Bringing your attention to the crown of your head, this time down the back of your body, back of your hips, back of your legs, back down to your feet. Gently bringing your hands to your heart center, palms touching in prayer position. Take a full deep breath in. Open your mouth side out. Bring your thumbs to the middle of your forehead, to your third eye center. Take another breath in. And a slight bow forward. Namaste.